All right.
Hi guys, welcome back. Sorry.
We had a break.
Yeah, and it got deleted. Well, it didn't get deleted. It's just it stopped recording.
Yeah,
Part 2.
Yeah, so this is part 2. Make sure to subscribe.
It's up in that pole.
What?
It's up in the pole.
What?
It's up in the pole over there.
What?
What's up in the phone?
The first video.
First video. Oh, okay. It'll be up in the corner or whatever.
No.
It'll be up in the pole.
Okay, it'll be up there.
So guys, yeah, we are. I'm just going to do something. I want to do something.
I'm finishing
Mark, your
this.
video is
Yeah.
not very good.
I know we're going to pause it and then now.
Hey, Nicole.
Okay, so just no.
You gotta drain them.
Yeah.
Mark, will you let the dog in?
Okay, yeah.
What are these pretty pink things made? We bought in this box just a whole bunch of different colors and things.
Yeah. I have to. Yeah. So.
Hi, Hollister.
Hollister. Yeah, Hollister's our dog.
Is it taking right now?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Can we show our creations?
Just one
I'm not
sec.
done.
Let me do something.
Okay.
I need to finish. Me and Mark need to finish ours.
Just like that.
How's the go? I don't want him to destroy
I
my
know.
Lego.
Let go my ego. Hello, Hollister.
Hello.
Have you met our dog?
Oh,
His name's
guys.
Hollister. He likes to play.
Yeah.
Guys, have you met our dog? This is Hollister.
He likes to play Legos too.
Yeah. And he just
He was born with Legos.
yeah.
What?
He was born to build with Legos.
He was born to play with
He was
Legos.
born to run, that dog.
No, he was born to play with Legos.
Oh,
Oh, his grandpa doing too.
okay. Are you guys ready?
Did shoot up some more maple syrup.
Are you guys ready?
Find firewood for the finishing maple syrup. I'm ready.
I'm not.
You ready?
Nope.
Ready? Okay. I'm ready.
Going over to the neighbors who's making a batch of beer out of maple syrup.
Okay, so.
Or Sam. Maple beer. Okay, who's first?
Pokeball, go.
We're not opening it. We're not doing that yet.
No.
Yeah, I thought we were.
I can't get 'em.
Creations.
Not right now because me and Mark aren't done.
No, I am. You have to be
I'm not.
quick.
It's okay.
I'm looking for something.
How about we call?
Done. So my brother has finished.
Okay.
So who should we go? Should we do first?
Oh, Jacob
Okay.
first. Okay.
It's
Hey, Jacob.
really cool.
Whoa, look at that.
Okay, so
You want to tell us about it, Jacob?
I have a silver ninja star in here. He has a golden ninja star in this hand.
Jacob, you have.
See, guys?
Yeah.
And
Wait,
a fire sword.
they didn't see. They can't see. Okay, yes, there. So show them.
All right.
Okay.
There's a silver ninja star in here.
Okay.
And the flaming sword for Kai.
Okay.
A golden ninja star.
Okay.
2 golden swords.
Okay. Okay.
And a car.
Okay.
Very nice.
Done. Who is gonna go next?
Me.
Okay.
Here's my ninja man. He's flying this battleship, and he is ready to fire at you with these. And we have 3 sets of wings. If our engine goes out, we can glide to the earth. We won't crash.
Down and upside down.
It has one set
Wait
of
a minute.
wings. I mean, it has one set of wheels.
Yep, so when we land, we can roll along.
Okay, yeah, guys, we'll be back. 1 second. And they got this. This guy with a pickaxe behind him. Minecraft pickaxe. He has a pirate hat, flames. It can drive. It has this thing. And yeah, let's go.
Is he a ninja?
Yeah, he's a kind of a ninja.
Okay. So, was that part of the challenge that it had to be something ninja?
No?
No.
Okay, good.
Because you didn't do ninja, did you?
Ninja. Here, Mark. I'll switch you and I'll show you what I made.
Okay.
Okay. I made. Oh, no. Hold on.
Yeah.
A hamburger! Got a bun and the burger, cheese, tomato, lettuce, some ketchup and pickles, and then bun, and a little fancy toothpick on top.
Okay. So we're going to go to the table and see who won.
These 3 right here?
No, all of them.
And this.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Man.
Wow.
With the furnace.
So this is Grandma's 3 wings, 1 set of wheels.
Pretty cool. She has a gun on there, too.
Yeah, and guns. Mom, would you tell them what you have?
I have a hamburger. It's a bun, a hamburger,
Oh my goodness.
cheese, tomato, lettuce, ketchup, pickle, and then a fancy toothpick on top.
I'm going to have to say,
And then wait, what about
Got it?
you have the marks? It has
Minecraft pickaxe.
Minecraft pickaxe,
ooh.
wheels, and
Ninja.
Flames.
a hat, a pirate hat. This.
Marquise backwards.
Okay.
Well,
And mine.
Let Jacob tell about his.
So, Lloyd, the fire sword.
This keeps on breaking. And a little ninja star over here in his hand. And 2 golden swords, a golden sword holder. There's a silver ninja star in here. And his house, the Minecraft furnace over here.
Okay, so who is going to win? Drum roll.
wow.
The winner is.
Mom!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Mom!
Congratulations.
Say congratulations to the winner. Say congratulations, my mom.
Goodbye, everybody. See
Whoa. Bye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. See you in the next video. Pikachu. And slap the bell with a fish. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye-bye.